How to permanently delete messages on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to delete a message permanently on Messenger, what you're simply gonna do is first launch the Messenger app on your device. Now go to the chat you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this because this was sent mistakenly. So what I'm going to do is long press on the message I want to delete. Then over here, we can see an option which says delete. Click on it. Now, there are two options that are delete for everyone and delete for you. If you click on delete for you, then and click on delete, then the message will be deleted, but it will only be deleted for me. While the other person can see that message, I cannot see it now. So if I want to send a message and delete it for everyone, just click on delete and then go to the first option which is delete for everyone. Now, after you do that, the message has been deleted permanently from both sides. So this is how you can permanently delete a message on Messenger. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and meet you in the next video. Thank you.